I'm Max Ashton, and I've been living here in the Massif de Bauges for the last 18 years. It's really a mountain paradise, a little hidden secret area between Annecy and Chambéry, Aix-les-Bains. It's close to all the skiing. It's a lovely place to live. There's always things going on. It's really a pleasant place to be 12 months of the year. So it's a UNESCO geopark, so it's very important geologically. We even have some wolves in the area and lynx, lots of birds of prey, golden eagles. It's an absolute paradise for sport as well. We have 3 ski resorts. So we have Savoie Grand Revard, which is one of the most popular ski resorts for cross-country skiing in France, and where the French team trains. Just behind me we have Semnoz, which overlooks Annecy, and the skiing is fantastic over there. And just on the mountain behind we have Ion-Margerias, which is where I normally ski with my family, which is just a lovely little ski resort. Not very well known, but it's just 15 minutes from the house, and we can go skiing there anytime we like in the winter. In fact, everything in the Bauges is about 15 minutes from everything in the Bauges. It's a very small, close-knit community. Everybody knows each other, everybody talks to each other. The sense of community here is something that just makes the area very, very special. The Bauges has become extremely popular for people to come, and they're spending all of their weekends here, they're spending all of their holidays here. They're doing everything from climbing mountains to going out on their bikes. We've got the mountain bike trails. We've got fantastic cycling routes with hardly any traffic on the roads, and we've had the Tour de France come through. We have the Dauphiné Libéré come through. It's really a paradise for cycling. But if you want to go trout fishing, we've got the rivers. If you want to go paraponting, paragliding, we've got water skiing. We're directly between 2 lakes, Lake Annecy and Lac de Baugé, and they're 2 absolutely beautiful lakes, and Annecy is very much the Venice of the Alps. We're also less than an hour from Geneva Airport, so getting here is very easy, and you're just guaranteed of a fantastic quality of life here in the Bauges. Here we are at my house in the Bauges, which we bought 18 years ago, back in 2002, and we bought it as an old farm with absolutely nothing in it. It didn't have any central heating, it didn't have a kitchen, and it was 1/3 house, 2/3 empty barn. With my wife's help, we completely renovated the house on our own, put in the central heating. We had a lot of friends that came over and helped us install the central heating in the kitchen and insulate the walls and do absolutely everything. Buying a house here in the Bauges was the best investment that I've ever made. Really, I can't look at it any other way as being the ideal place to live in an ideal property. I've been with LEGGETT Immobilier for about 5 years. The job is fantastically interesting because you get out to meet interesting people. If you like looking around houses and being a little bit nosy, it's fantastic. I feel like I'm helping the community, I'm helping people move on when they want to sell a house, but also I feel very much here in the Bauges, where I've got lots of renovation properties for sale, that I'm actually revitalizing communities. I have people coming in with the budget to renovate old farms and old barns. Once those are all renovated and people are running cycling holidays or running gîtes or chambre d'hôtes and doing things, they're bringing the Bauges up to a better economic level and making it a much tidier, nicer place to be. The reason people choose LEGGETT to sell their properties and to buy their properties is, well, there are several reasons, in fact. One, we give a much better presentation of a property than virtually any other agency in the area. It's possible to visit the house from a distance. We do lots of virtual tours, but also virtual tours by Skype and WhatsApp, so that people can visit in advance. The local knowledge that we have, I can talk to people about every single little hamlets around the Bauge, and I can tell them whether or not the sun sets late or early. I can tell them if it misses a bit of sun in the winter, or I can tell them about the neighbours, and I can tell about the advantages of being in that area. As such, I've got buyers who have said, we've bought in the Bauge because of you, because you've taken the extra effort to show us round and show us everything that the Bauge has got to offer. Another aspect is that if we have a house that has issues, you will know about the issues straight away. There's a complete honesty that goes into all of our descriptions and all of our advertising. The most important thing is that if I've got somebody flying in from abroad to see a house, I don't want them to get there and discover something that could have been explained over the phone before they made the effort to come and visit the house. If there happened to be a pylon next to the house, I would have that in the description. And if it needs renovation, it will all be in the description. And then everybody coming in will know exactly what they're coming to see, and there aren't any surprises that will take people off guard. And usually people are coming in and they're actually surprised how much better the house is than they imagined from my descriptions, which tend to be brutally honest, but that's something about being a northerner, I think. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the description of the Bauge National Park and the area in general. And if you're interested in the Bauge, feel free to get in touch with me directly, and down below you have the link to my portfolio. You can see what fabulous houses we have available at the moment in the Bauge.